Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial of BWL Advanced Fact Manager, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily activate your plugin license within 2 minutes. To activate the plugin license, you have to go to your CodeCanyon profile, download section, and then click on the license and purchase code link, and then it will automatically download a PDF file, and from there you will get the purchase code. Once you have your purchase code, then simply copy that purchase code and click on the activate your copy link, and as you can see that there is a field where you have to paste that purchase code. For the demonstration purpose, I am going to add a purchase code in here, and once you paste that purchase code, you have to click activate license. Allow 2 or 3 seconds to purchase. As you can see that there are two buttons. One says remove license and one is for the renew your support period. For that purchase code, the support period already expired. That means you will not get support from the author after that date. So in order to get the support, you have to renew your support period. You can also remove the license from this site. According to the Envato policy, you cannot use a single license for your multiple site. If you want to use that plugin to another site, you are allowed to do that. For that you have to first remove the license from here, and then you can use the same purchase code to your another site. The purchase code has been removed from this site, and there we go. I hope that helps, and if you have any questions regarding the licensing issue, please send us a message via the support page. I will put that support page link in the description, and thanks for watching.